So guys, today I'm leaving my house. Today I'm going. Today I'm going to Goa. Hi guys, so we are leaving for Goa. Yes, for 10 days we are gonna celebrate our new year there. So why waiting? Let's go. Yeah. All set. So we are all set for Goa. This guy is also there. So now we are going to the railway station. We'll see you very soon. So we were starting our journey from Bangalore. So from Bangalore to Goa, we took a train from Yeshwanthpur. So the train started at 2:30 in the afternoon and we were able to reach Goa at 5 in the morning and Madgaon Junction. तो हम बिजनेस के लिए बेस्ट टाइम पास कर रहे हैं ट्रेन में, बहुत लंबी जर्नी है. So we reached Madgaon Junction 5:30 in the morning, and from there Madgaon we took a bus to Mapsa. From Mapsa we were going to Anjuna beach first. So from Mapsa to Anjuna, the bus journey took us close to 40 minutes and the charges were 80 rupees per person. So from Mapsa we had to take an auto to go to Anjuna. The best part was we landed on Christmas Day, December 25th. So it was Christmas vibe all around. So we reached Mapsa in 40 minutes, and from Mapsa you get bus to Anjuna, but the frequency of the bus is very low. So we had a vada pav, and from there we took an auto to our destination, which was the Musafir Hostel at Anjuna. So as we reached, we just went ahead to see the Anjuna beach and also to take a scooty for a daily travel. The scooty costed us 350 rupees a day, and the hostel stay where we were staying was room rent was 500 rupees per bed. So a pro tip here is always while taking the scooty, take a full 360-degree video of all the scratches and bumps, so it will later save you from any hassle or any issues. So after taking the scooty, we went back to the Musafir hostel and we had breakfast. The breakfast was fairly cheap, not that expensive. For the aloo paratha we paid close to 100 rupees. And from there, after having this sumptuous breakfast, we did not feel like having this. So we thought we will just go ahead and visit the beach. So I went with Sumesh to the beach. Sumesh is a guy who I met there, a very nice guy. With him, I went to the beach and there was a surprise waiting for us at the Anjuna beach.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me, what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you want. I got shorty, what you want? I got 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 nothing can stop me. I'm all the way.
So the surprise was that when we reached at the beach, there was a party going on at Shiva Valley. This party was actually going on since the night, but we just barged in and we had loads of fun. So it was my first experience of partying hard at 10 o'clock in the morning, and that is what Goa is all about. So after having that party, we went back home, got ready and went for lunch to Britos. हम लोग आए हैं ब्रिटोस खाना खाने. I think it's very famous here. So the thing about Britos is the food is very nice, the ambience is also nice, it's always filled up. But for a budget traveler, I would suggest avoid this place because it is actually very expensive comparatively if you are a solo traveler or a budget traveler. But the view is great. You just go in, there's a nice beach which is attached to it, so you can go to that beach also and look everywhere. It is a nice experience altogether, but for budget people, please avoid, it is very expensive.
छोटी हाँ वो पता नहीं चाबी ढूंढ रहा है वो छोटी नहीं मिली मुझे वो रूम में कहीं पड़ी होगी.
So after lunch we went to Anjuna beach again to have a dip because you are in Goa, so dip is necessary. After that we were told that there is a barbecue session organized at the Musafir hostel where we were staying, so we just went ahead for that. तो फ्रेंड्स आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत टायरिंग था. हम लोग बहुत 5 बजे सुबह पहुंच गए थे. वहाँ से तो आपने देखा होगा कि वी टुक अ बस एंड केम टिल मापसा. From Mapsa we took a auto. It charged somewhere close to 250 rupees and we came to Anjuna. The ambience was really nice. So we came here, we made some new friends. We went out for party. So it was the first time in my life at 10 o'clock in the morning I was partying. It was really hard. It was fun. We came to Anjuna in the morning though the tides were really, there were too many of tides. So that's why we could not get into the water, but now we are back. It's a beautiful sunset, so I'll be showing you the sunset right now. And we have a barbecue party at 7 o'clock. So we'll be heading for that and we'll let you know once we reach.
Really means to live like golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden.
So there is a nice amount of crowd in Anjuna. So many people have come from all over India. It's mostly Indians, not many foreigners this time, but there are still foreigners. I think they are the foreigners who got left off during the March COVID. So there are there. It's not like there is no foreigners, but mostly Indians and mostly techie crowd has arrived here. The climate is really nice. The temperature is perfect. Not too cold, not too hot, and it is a very beautiful evening.
Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden.
So we are cooking for barbecue with lovely Neha. Chicken हमेशा अच्छी लगती है.
So this is your first day in Goa.
Yeah, this is my first day in Goa, and see, I'm already cooking a barbecue.
Wow,
So I'm gonna open a shack very soon in Goa.
which is good. And what will be the name?
I don't know, Style Chef.
Style Chef. Oh. And this is the co-chef who just laughs and does nothing.
this is no chef. He's just a passerby who is just coming and standing and seeing what we are cooking.
बस यार थोड़ा ध्यान रखो, टच ना हो यार प्लीज, मैं खा नहीं
ये
पाऊंगी।
तेरा है, that is yours. ये बीच वाला भी तेरा नहीं है।
ऐसे मत कर दो यार। Is the barbecue chef gonna show us some moves?
Yeah. ये देखो।
Whoa! Once again, once again.
She is the one who helped me actually come here. So she is the one who helped me cook this. Now let's see.
It's very good for sure.
ये मशरूम is ready. सब खा रहे हैं यहाँ पे। Now chef Neha is doing it. Neha, say hi.
Hi everybody.
And I'm just busy eating. And it's amazing.
The best part about this barbecue session was that it was an icebreaker. Everybody was a solo traveler and it actually made everybody comfortable with each. So we had a blast, we had lots of fun, we had lots of booze, the food was nice and the ambience was actually superb.
Cool.
So this party was there till 3 a.m. in the morning. I was dead tired, so I just called it a day. So I'm going now. I'll see you in the next day vlog very soon. So till then, have fun, take care, bye bye.